Good morning, this is Fabio with Farmers from Italy. Today I want to introduce you the artichoke alla romana. We currently sell this in the US market and it's a beautiful product. Very easy to manage because it's already in vinaigrette. What it means is already inside garlic, parsley, wine vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. So it's easy to use as an appetizer. I'm going to show you how easy is this. You open, it's tender, it's nice, and you can serve also with some arugula on the bottom. And stay tuned and I will show you how is the final plate. Now, let's assemble the dish. We put a little bit of arugula here and we put the artichoke in a way it's a nice presentation. Last two, because when you start to eat you don't want to stop. And a little decoration here in the center, a little touch of pepper, a little finish with fresh parsley, and that's it. All you have to do is just go and eat. I hope you enjoy our video. If you have any question, please send us an email at info@farmersfromitaly.com. Thank you again and chin chin.